Wow, that's a lot of views. I need to do another video on Supreme Patty. Let's go. I bought some items from Supreme Patty. I already have them in. I'm gonna unbox them later on in this video. I'm gonna hop on supremepatty.com, show you guys the website, you know, show you around, browse the site, show you what's popping, what's hot on Supreme Patty. We're gonna take a look at what's free on supremepatty.com, and I'm gonna unbox and review everything at the end of this video. I'm gonna give away the items in this video. To enter the giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on Instagram, comment done and your Instagram username down below in the comment section on this video. I'm gonna pick a winner in a few weeks from this video. All right, we are here on supremepatty.com. Man, let's start off. Look at that face. Oh my god, he's pulling his hair. All right, let's see what's on supremepatty.com. Let's see what's new on the site, man. I'm sure he has some new things. First off, we got the AirPods. I'm gonna start off. I definitely know I want AirPods. 100%. I want AirPods. It's definitely in the title of this video. I want AirPods because they're free. I just gotta pay shipping, which is no problem. I want the AirPods. They're not bad, you know, for being free. They're really not bad. I'll take them. So let's take a look at those AirPods. They do have black ones. Those look pretty interesting, but I think I like, you know, the classic white ones a little bit better. They do have wireless ones as well. He has jewelry, iced out jewelry, man. We got the chains, the bracelets. We got some time watch pieces. Cool. We got the shrimp chains going on. Ooh, sunglasses, free huncho glasses. Oh my god, we could look like Quavo right there. That looks sick. Cloud goggles. All right, free memer glasses if you want to be like the meme. That's pretty dope. That's funny. Iced out pinky rings, and there's a bunch of things going on here. Oh, jewel wraps. Never saw those before. Not a Supreme Patty. Alright, he got the Victory Royale for Fortnite. We got money, the 100. Oh, off-white if you want to be a hype beast. And of course, you know, I got the weed one. There's a bunch of them going on. Free Savage hat. Got some hats, good vibes, purple drink. Damn, there's a lot. Supreme Patty got a lot going on. There is things here for money now. I'm not trying to spend money. I'm trying to make everything in this video free. Free. If it's free and it's from Supreme Patty, it's for me. Just gotta pay shipping. Not a big deal, like I said. Let's see what else we got here on Supreme Patty. What's going on with my computer here? There we go. That was weird. Let's see what else we got. Supreme Patty, free sale, jewelry, hats, glasses, rings, bracelets, girls, jewel wraps, about us. Supreme Patty free sale. Let's see what's free. Come on, load, let's go. Let's see what's free. My computer's slow today, huh? There we go. Free tennis bracelet. Oh, I like that. That's not bad. That's definitely not bad. There's a lot going on here on the site. Some jewelry. I definitely want to get some jewelry. I think I want to get a chain. Some type of chain. That's free. Some type of maybe gold. White gold or real gold. I don't know. We'll see. Well, not like real gold, but a real gold color. Ooh, tooth cap. Do my teeth. Free huncho chains. Oof. They got a lot, man. He definitely got a lot on the site. Shout out to Patty. I love Supreme Patty. If you guys love Supreme Patty, leave a comment down below and let me know how much you love Patty. I think Patty's dope, man. I think Supreme Patty's absolutely hilarious. We got the free sport logo chain right there. There's a lot. Free Uzi chain. Some rings. I mean, Supreme Patty's website, man, it's not bad. You know, quality on these items, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It's not horrendous when it comes to quality. It is free. You know, you're just paying shipping, so you get what you pay for. But quality, it's not horrendous. It's not bad. Definitely could be better, 100%. But you really get what you pay for, so that's, you know, it is what it is on that. Ooh, free razor chain. There's a lot going on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the AirPods, definitely. And I'm gonna see what else I want. I definitely want probably a chain. Now we'll get into the review portion of the video, unbox it, and let's show you guys Supreme Patty's goods that are free from the website. I got the AirPods, definitely wanted those, and I got a chain. So showing you guys some of the watches and chains and AirPods on the site. So let's get into the review. We got some items here from Supreme Patty. Let's get into the review and unbox these things. So I already unboxed the AirPods. I honestly couldn't wait, and I thought it was another package, so I, already unboxed them. But they got the AirPods right here, i7s TWS. That's what it says at the top. They're cool. I've had them before. I just got another pair. I figured, why not? The other pair I did get rid of them, but I figured, why not pick up another pair and give this away? I'm gonna go ahead and give these away. So if you guys want these, if you guys want the chain, I'll show you guys the chain next. All you need to do once again is subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below that you did those things, and then comment your Instagram username. I'm gonna pick one of you guys in a few weeks from the comments. But yeah, here are the AirPods. They're cool. They're big, and they're definitely much bigger, than the regular real Apple AirPods, but they work nonetheless. Sound quality could be better, but it's free. You just pay shipping, so they're cheap. They're not bad. When it comes to sound quality, it's there. You can definitely hear your music. It'll definitely play, pause. It does everything, like real AirPods do. I'm sorry, what'd you say? I have AirPods in. I can't hear you. Speak louder. Oh, I can't hear you. I have AirPods in. Oh, now I can hear you. Oh, sorry. They sound really good, guys. The AirPods, they honestly sound good. Quality's pretty good. They're loud, extremely loud. That's why I couldn't even hear you. But yeah, they're really, really loud, guys. These AirPods, they're not bad at all. I do recommend them, to be honest. For what, like 20 bucks, 18 bucks, whatever it was for shipping. I highly recommend them, to be honest. I do recommend going to get the real ones. If you don't want to spend the money, I do recommend these AirPods. They're not bad. They're much bigger. I can't stress that enough of how much bigger they are than the real Apple ones. I do have the real Apple ones. If you guys want me to do maybe a video comparing these, I can do that. But man, these are really, really big, but they're not bad, guys. Like I said, I can't get over it. For being, 20 bucks, like, shipped, they're not bad at all. The case is much bigger than the real one, so I don't think you'll lose it as easy. But yeah, these are cool. They definitely work. They're cool, and they do light up different colors when you do turn them on. I don't know if it's doing it right now, but yeah, they do light up like different colors and whatnot. So they're cool. They're unique. Sound quality, like I said, is not bad. So these are the AirPods, and I want to show you guys the chain. That's what I really wanted to show you guys, the chain. So here are the AirPods. Now let me show you the chain that we got. Let me open this. Okay. And we got the chain. All right, let's see. This stuff did take, honestly, a little while to come in, like a month. But yeah, we got the chain right here. This is big, gold chain. This was free from Supreme Patty, and it does have, let's see, Supreme branding on it right there. I'm gonna leave this in the packaging, and yeah, I'm not gonna take it out because I want to go ahead and give it away. But I'm gonna leave this in the packaging, and on the back, it does have like some squares there on the back. So gold chain, it's not bad. It's a little heavy, a little bit of weight to it, but it's definitely, hollow there on the back. So definitely not real gold. You're not going to get real gold from supremepatty.com, not when you're only paying shipping. But hey, a dope item nonetheless. I do like the chain. However, I would never wear this chain. Me personally, not my thing. I wouldn't wear this at all. Even if it was real, I still would not wear something like this. It's too flashy for me. I'm not into the real, like, gold color like this. But I do think it's a dope piece. If you like it, hey, it's not bad. Quality is not bad on it. It is a little heavy, so it's not bad. I do recommend it overall. For what you're paying, you get what you pay for. It's free. You pay shipping. It'll be like 15 bucks, so it's not bad at all. For that price, I do recommend it. Anything more? No, definitely not. I do recommend, of course, getting real jewelry if you do have the money. Save up. That's, of course, my recommendation. But if you want like a piece, for now, something just, to wear around whenever, this is not a bad option at all. And I recommend it, to be honest. Not bad for the money. Really, really cool. So once again, if you guys want this or you want the AirPods, go ahead and enter the giveaway. If you have bought anything from supremepatty.com, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me what you bought. I really want to know. What'd you guys buy? What's everyone copping from Supreme Patty? Are you getting anything for free? Are you actually buying something? Let me know down below. I want to see who's actually swiping up to get iced up. Guys, check out Supreme Patty. No, this video is not sponsored by Supreme Patty, but I do love Supreme Patty. Shout out to Supreme Patty. I think he's absolutely hilarious. He is the GOAT. He's a great viral sensation on Instagram. Supreme Patty is the GOAT, man. He's definitely a legend, a living legend. So here on the internet. So definitely go ahead, check out Supreme Patty, and these are dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the free items from supremepatty.com, the AirPods and the free gold chain. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Also drop a comment down below in the comment section to make sure you enter the giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.